treat. So, over here, Alfred. There you go, our hot news, everyone.
Well done, Alfred. Ladies and gentlemen, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. If you want to volunteer, raise your hands. The trainers, they will pick you. Now look at the bird's powerful wings as they fly past. Now this allows them to swoop through branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. And fortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at the rate of 1 football field per day. Now this is due to human development. Now we can also avoid these beautiful birds by buying less of everything. Or even better, if we can all reuse our old paints, buy second-hand products, this would actually help to prevent the clearing of the birds' homes. Looks like volunteers are getting ready. Now for those of you who are not holding the homes, please remain seated. Patina, roll 5 birds. Long tail and sharp eyesight. This allows them to be agile and maneuverable. To demonstrate, Vega and Patina will take off from opposite ends of the stage and hopefully cross each other's path in the center loop. Keep your fingers crossed. This is not going to be easy. Volunteers, keep the hoops very still. Are we ready, Patina? Ready, go! Finally, Vega is going to try something even more interesting. Off we go. Well done, Vega. Wonderful demonstration of his flying ability. I will see you later, boy. Now, parrots, they're power. Don't let it fly off. Right? Don't move. Don't touch the bird. But very important, you must smile. That's right. Sassy, bring the vulture of the coupon up. Very good. Put it down. Hold on to the vulture and the coupon. Very good. And Sassy, here she comes. Wow, done, young lady. Now, young lady, with the coupon, you can get yourself a free paddle pop ice cream at our terrace kiosk up there. And with the voucher, you can get yourself a free souvenir worth up to $25 at our Global Souvenir Shop. Right? All those with the blue voucher, those of you who got the blue voucher, you can collect your souvenir as well at the Global Souvenir Shop. Okay, one more volunteer. This time nothing